Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our science class. And students, in last period, we completed our lesson 1 workbook exercise as well some extra question answer which is very important for our unit test. So students, today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 2, which is components of food. Okay, so come on page number 9. Okay, and here on page number 8 you will see the lesson 2 components of foods. Okay, so see, in chapter 1 we made a list of the food items that we eat. Right now, in our previous lesson, what we learn about the list of the food items which are we are eating. We also identify food items eaten in different parts of India, right? Different parts of India like Gujarat, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Okay, and at there the habits of eating are very different. Okay, it means the habit of eating is vary depending on the part of the different part of the India, and mark this on its map. A meal could consist of chapati, dal and brinjal curries, right? अगर मिल की अगर बात करें हम तो उसमें क्या किया जाता है? चपाटी, दाल, ब्रिंजल्स करी, right? It consists chapati, dal, brinjals. Another may be rice, sambar and vegetable preparation of that is finger like we call it bhindi, right? So yet another meals could be appam, fish curries and vegetables, right? So depending of the people and from where they are belonging, right? So in mostly South Indian people are using fish curries, appams, right? Okay. So see here, activity number 1. Our meal usually have at least one item made of some kind of grain, right? ना एक जो है वो grain तो होता ही है, made some kind of grain. Other items could be a dal or a dish of meat or vegetable. जो वो दाल हो सकता है, मीट की कोई डिश हो सकती है, वेजिटेबल्स हो सकता है. It may also include items like कर्ड, बटरमिल्क और पिकल, राइट? क्या हो सकता है? कर्ड हो सकता है, बटरमिल्क हो सकता है, पिकल हो सकता है. Some examples of meals from different regions are given in table 2.1. Okay, so we will see this later. First see, select the food items you depicted on the map in chapter 1. Add some more meals to this list and enter this in table 2.1. Okay, so here I put one data. You can see here. Sometimes we may not really have all this variety in our meals, right? Lots of reasons are there. So if we are traveling, so it is not possible to take all the items usually we eat in every day, right? So we may eat whatever is available on the way, correct? जो भी मिलेगा हमें वही हम यूज करेंगे. It will not be possible for some of us to eat such a variety of items most of the time. Okay, most of the times हम जो वैरायटीज ऑफ आइटम्स कंज्यूम करते हैं वो पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हर टाइम हमें मिलेगा ही. ओके, डिपेंड ऑन टाइम, डिपेंड ऑन सिचुएशन. there must be some reasons through why meals usually consist of such a distribution, right? ये distribution क्यों हो रहा है तो उसके पीछे कोई ना कोई तो रीजन होगा, right? Do you think that our body needs a different kinds of food for some special purpose, right? ना अलग अलग पर्पज के लिए हमें डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ काइंड जो फूड जो होता है वो कंज्यूम करना चाहिए, राइट? हर फूड जो है वो हर फूड में से हमें सारे के सारे न्यूट्रिशंस नहीं मिलते, राइट? So we have to depend to eat all type of grains, vegetables, okay, to getting some special what special purpose. Okay, so here see table 2.1, some common meals of the different regions and states. So first Punjab, item of grain is what? Makki means corn, corn roti. Items of dal and meat, rajma which is called kidney beans. Vegetables, सरसों का साग, mustard leaf curry, and others curd and ghee. Same way in Andhra Pradesh, Usually they use which type of grains? Rice, right? And dal and what about meat? So tuar dal and some, okay. And vegetable kunduru, okay. This is the name of vegetables. Um, the people are eating in Andhra Pradesh states, and others like buttermilk, ghee, pickles, okay. In Gujarat, usually the grain is what? Rice. And item of dal, tuar dal. Vegetables, batatanu saag, right? Na? And others, buttermilk, salads, etc. Okay, students. Now see, uh, what do different food items contain? What do different food item contain? So we know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients, right? Na? So which we get from plants or animals. Okay, we will get it either plants or animals. So this come on next page. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. राइट ना, उसमें क्या होता है? ऐसे कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं, इससे कुछ कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं जो हमारी बॉडी के लिए इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सस्टेन आवर बॉडी वेरी वेल. ओके, सो दिस कंपोनेंट्स आर कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. ओके, न्यूट्रिएंट्स बोलेंगे हम उसको. द मेजर न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन आवर फूड्स आर नेम्ड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, विटामिन, मिनरल्स एटसेट्रा. कौन से है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and waters which are also needed by our body. Okay. कौन से dietary fibers जो है वो भी and water भी, that also very needed by our body. Do all food contains all these nutrients? No, नहीं होगा. With some simple method, we can test whether cooked foods or a raw ingredients contains one or more of these nutrients. ठीक है, हमें क्या चाहिए? We can test whether cooked food or raw ingredients contains one or more these nutrients. So the test for the presence of the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are similar to do as compared to the test for other nutrients. Okay, ये भी simple ही है. Let us do this test and record all the observations in table 2.2. आया समझ में? यानी कोई भी फूड आइटम है उसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्रेजेंट है कि नहीं है, प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट है कि नहीं है, वो हम इजीली टेस्ट करके चेक कर सकते हैं. यानी टेस्ट यानी क्या? ये प्रोसेस है, तो वो किस तरीके से वो हम आगे देखेंगे. ओके, वी विल सी फर्दर. सी, फॉर कैरिंग आउट दिस टेस्ट you will need solution of iodine, copper sulfate and caustic soda. ओके, इतने की हमें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. यू विल ऑल्सो नीड अ फ्यू टेस्ट ट्यूब एंड ड्रॉपर्स. आपको टेस्ट ट्यूब की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी और ड्रॉपर की भी. ट्राई दिस टेस्ट ऑन कुक फूड आइटम्स एज वेल रॉ मटेरियल. कुक फूड है उसके ऊपर भी आप टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, साथ साथ में रॉ मटेरियल यानी कि जो कच्चा है उसके ऊपर भी. Table 2.2 shows you a way to record the observations from this test, and some food items are given in this table. So you can conduct the test either with this or any other available food items. आप इस आइटम से भी कर सकते हैं जो आपको मेंशन किया हुआ है टेक्स्ट बुक में, एंड डिपेंड ऑन यू. Okay, if you want to take another food item you can take. Okay, depend on you, it's your choice. Do this test carefully. आपको carefully करना है. Do not try to eat or taste any chemicals. Chemicals को आपको खाना नहीं है, टेस्ट भी करना नहीं है. Okay. If the required solutions are not available in ready-made form, your teachers can prepare them as given in the box. So let us begin by testing different food items to see if they contain carbohydrates. Carbohydrates है कि नहीं है वो check करते हैं. So there are many types of carbohydrates. The main carbohydrates found in our foods are in the form of starch एंड शुगर. ओके, स्टार्च और शुगर के फॉर्म में हमें ज़्यादातर दिखाई देता है. वी कैन इजीली टेस्ट इफ अ फूड आइटम कंटेन स्टार्च. स्टार्च है कि नहीं है वो इजीली हम उसमें जो टेस्ट करना है वो हम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इसके लिए यहाँ पे कुछ दिया है वो जो आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. ओके, द dilute solutions of iodine can be prepared by adding a few drops of tincture iodine to a test tube half filled with water. Okay, and copper sulfate solutions can be prepared by dissolving 2 grams exact 2 grams of a copper sulfate in 100 milliliter. This is ml of water. And caustic soda. 10 gram of caustic soda dissolved in 100 ml of water make the required solutions of caustic soda. इस तरीके से आप सारे के सारे सॉल्यूशंस बना सकते हो. Okay. Now see activity 2. Test for start. Take a some quantity of a food item or a raw ingredients. Put 2-3 drops of dilute iodine solutions on it. 2.1. इस तरीके से यहाँ पे आई थिंक पोटैटो दिया हुआ है, राइट. Observe if there is any change in the color of the food item. Did it turn blue black? वो blue black में convert होता है कि नहीं होता है वो हमें चेक करना है. Come on next page. A blue paper color indicates that it contains starch. अगर blue black color हो जाता है तो हमें समझना है कि वो food में starch है. Repeat this test with other food items to find out which of these contains starch. Enter all your observations in table 2.2. Okay, understood student? Now see number 2. Test for protein. So take a small quantity of food items for testing. If the food you want to test is a solid, you first need to make a paste of it or powder it. Okay, you have to convert it into paste or powder. Suppose that food items if be solid form. Grind or mash a small quantity of a food item and put some of this in a clean test tube. Add 10 drops of water to it and shake the test tube. ओके आपको 10 ड्रॉप्स वाटर के डालने हैं और उसको थोड़ा सा टेस्ट ट्यूब को हिलाना है. Now using a dropper, add 2 drops of solutions of copper sulfate and 10 drops of solutions of caustic soda to the test tube figure 2.2. Shake well and let the test tube stand for a few minutes. Few minutes के लिए वैसे के वैसे ही उसको रखना है. What do you see? Did the contents of the test tube turn violet? A violet color indicates presence of protein in that food item. अगर वो वायलेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, वायलेट कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, तो वो क्या इंडिकेट करता है? द फूड आइटम विच यू टेकन टू टेस्ट हैव द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द प्रोटीन कंपोनेंट. ओके, अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट? सो नाउ यू कैन रिपीट दिस टेस्ट ऑन द फूड आइटम्स. यहाँ पे जैसे दिया हुआ है वो जरा हम देख लेते हैं. जैसे कि फूड आइटम्स दिया हुआ है, स्टार्च दिया हुआ है, प्रोटीन दिया हुआ है और फैट दिया हुआ है. फैट का हमारा टॉपिक करवाना बाकी है. ओके वो हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में देखेंगे, तभी हम ये टेबल 2.2 जो है वो देखेंगे. ओके सो दैट टाइम यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी इजीली. ओके now see what is in your SW. You have to read this lesson very carefully. Okay, and draw these tables 2.1 in your notebook. Okay, and also write these 3 points in your notebook. Okay students, understood? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.